morning. This is Max from Waking Up at 40, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make vanilla extract. However, I'm warning you, it's easy, not quick. It takes a long time for vanilla to extract, but it is such an easy process that if you've got a little bit of patience, you will always have amazing vanilla in your house. So let me show you without further ado what you're going to need. You will need some kind of jar. It can be plastic, it can be, I just like this little glass mason jar type of things. You're going to need obviously vanilla. This is just Madagascar vanilla that we buy in these little pots, glass containers around here. I like to cut mine up obviously because it won't fit in here, so I've got a sharp little knife. And then you need an extracting agent. You can use anything that will extract flavors from something, like glycerine, or in this case alcohol. You can use rum or vodka. I prefer the vodka, it's just a milder flavor, so this is my go-to. And people, that is it. Let me show you. So we're just opening up this little container, get the little pots out. I always love these little containers, I just don't know what to do with them. If anybody has ideas, please let me know in the comments. There we go. So for this size, I use about 2 vanilla pots. Basically cut them in half. Then I slice mine up a little bit just so that the flavor gets out quicker and infuse into the vodka. Oh, there we go. And then I'll add them into the little container. This one's too big, it's not fitting. I throw them in, and then I completely cover them with the vodka. And people, that's it. Then you just need to patiently wait for this to get to the point where you can use it. I would say anything from 3 months to 6 months. Sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's longer. The way you know is opening it up and smelling it. If you're smelling the vodka, the alcohol, it's not ready yet. I'll quickly show you different ones that I started. This one I like to write the date on it. So I just have a kind of idea of how many months it's been on there. So this one I will just write July 2020. And in the cupboard it goes. So here's a May one. I've got a little bit of more fluid in this one, but it also evaporates a little bit. So you can see it's already starting to change a bit of color. Here is my June one that I've made last month that is just starting to change color. And then this is the one that I'm using at the moment. It's completely dark, it's beautiful, it smells rich and beautifully vanilla. And this is it. This is your homemade vanilla in 1 minute.